Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So once again, so good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So in last period we learned how to find the derivatives of a function using first principle. Okay. Now we are going to learn, you apply the formulas and you are going to find the derivative. Okay. So what are the formulas we have learned in using for derivatives? What is derivative of x raised to n? Derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1, isn't it? So what is the derivative of x raised to n? D by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. What is the derivative of constant? When you differentiate constant, what you have learned, what is the derivative of constant? Find out, find the answer for this. Yes? What is derivative of x? Constant, derivative of constant is 0. Okay. What is derivative of x? What is derivative of root x? What is the derivative of 1 by x? What is the derivative of x? What is the derivative of x? It is 1. Derivative of root x is
1 by 2 root x.
1
very
by
good.
2 root
1
x
by 2 root x. Derivative of 1 by x is derivative of 1 by x is
minus 1 by x square.
minus 1 by x square. Then derivative of e raised to x. It is e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. What is the derivative of log x?
1 by
Derivative
x.
1 by x.
1 by x.
Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, then we learned some formula to find the derivatives of functions which are given in product form, quotient form, product rule, quotient rule, and all we learned, isn't it? So just recall the product formula. What is the product rule we have learned? So product rule is u v the whole dash is equal to u into v dash plus u dash into v. What is u v the whole dash? U into v dash plus u dash into v. This is the product rule. And what about the quotient rule? U by v the whole dash is equal to u by v the whole dash is equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Okay. So now using these formulas, we are going to differentiate. Okay, just learn the formula. Just learn the formula. Annette, what is derivative of 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x is derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by
1 by
x
x square.
square. Minus 1 by x square. Aparna, what is derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is
Ma'am, 1 by x.
1 by x. Okay. Derivative of x raised to n is n,
n into x raised to n minus 1.
n into x raised to n minus 1. N into x raised to n minus 1. Now using this formula, we are going to differentiate the following. Write the question. Find the derivatives of the following function. Find the derivatives of the following function. Find the derivatives of following function. Okay, under that first one, x cube minus 5x square plus 10. X cube minus 5x square plus 10. How to do this? First thing, you will name this as y, isn't it? Name this as y. What is dy by dx? What's the derivative of this function? So what is derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube is, you put the power in the front, isn't it? 3x square minus 5 into, what is derivative of x square? It is 2x plus 10. So you get 3x square minus 10x plus 10. If you differentiate constant, derivative of constant is 0, isn't it? 5 into derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, you are using the formula d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Look at here, this is a constant. Derivative of constant will be 0. Okay, here we are getting the derivative of constant as 0. Now suppose write this question. Suppose y is root x plus 1 by root x. Root x plus 1 by root x. Differentiate and give the answer. Differentiate this one and give the answer.
Two.
Yes. So dy by dx is, okay, whenever you differentiate a function in x, you should write dy by dx is equal to, yes. What is derivative of root x?
1 by 2 root x.
Yes, it is 1 by 2 root x plus, what about this root x? How we can write? Root means power is half, isn't it? It is in the denominator. So if you take it to the numerator, it will become x raised to minus half. It will become x raised to minus half. So 1 by 2 root x plus x raised to minus half. When you integrate this one, what you will get? Sorry, not integrate, you are differentiating. N into x raised to n minus 1, isn't it? We'll reduce the value by 1. What's the derivative of x raised to n? N x raised to n minus 1. So put the power in the front, reduce the power by minus 1. So x root x means power is half. If you take it to the numerator, it will become minus half. So minus half into x raised to minus half minus 1. So which is same as 1 by 2 root x minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 3 by 2. Minus half minus 1 means this minus 3 by 2. So we can write this as 1 by 2 root x minus 1 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2. 1 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2. Okay. Sorry. Write the next one. Y is equal to x raised to minus 4 into 3 minus 4x raised to minus 5. Y is equal to x raised to minus 4 into 3 minus 4 into x raised to minus 5. So what will be the answer? X raised to minus 4 into 3 minus. So what you can do first, before differentiating, here it is not given as product rule or some, it is given simply differentiate. So what you can do, use distributivity and open the bracket. So you'll get y is equal to 3x raised to minus 4 minus 4 into x raised to, when you add the powers, is minus 9, isn't it? What is x raised to m into x raised to n? It is x raised to m plus n. X raised to m into x raised to n is x raised to m plus n. So here we can write this as 3 into x raised to minus 4 minus 4 into x raised to minus 9. Now find out what is dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 3 into, what is derivative of x raised to minus 4? Minus 4 into x raised to minus 4 minus 1, isn't it? N into x raised to n minus 1. Reduce the power by 1. Minus 4 into x raised to minus 9, if you differentiate, minus 9 into x raised to minus 9 minus 1. So you'll get minus 12 x raised to minus 5. Minus into minus, it will become plus 36 x raised to minus 10. 36 x raised to minus 10. So this one we can write this as minus 12 by x raised to 5 plus 36 by x raised to 10. 12 by x raised to 5 plus 36 by x raised to 10. Okay? Is it okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the
Aisha.
previous question, y is equal to root x plus 1 by root x. Can we do it another method?
Which method?
Like it is 1 by root x, right? So we can keep 1 by and just do the derivation of root x.
Yes. Any of
So will we
finds?
get the answer?
Yes. Let's try in this method. Okay. What is root x? 1 by 2 root x plus what is derivative of 1 by root x? Product rule. You are asking about quotient rule. Is it that form you are asking?
I'm just saying like 1, keep that 1 by there itself.
Ah.
Just do the derivation of root x.
That one we will not get. I thought we'll be using the derivative of function rule. We learned one method called function of function chain rule. That way you can do, but you can't keep one such as such. And if you differentiate, what is root x? 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So is it same? Check your answer. Root x plus 1 by root x means it will be same as 2 root x. Is it the answer you are getting there?
No.
No, so it is not possible. Okay, whenever we have 1 by x, okay, so whenever we have 1 by x raised to n, it is same as x raised to minus n. We have in the denominator means if you take it to the numerator, the exponent will be negative. Is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next we are going to use product rule. Differentiate x square plus 3x minus 1 into x cube plus 2x. Differentiate x square plus 3x minus 1 into x cube plus 2x. So this function we can do it in two ways. Okay, first step you name this as y. What are the two ways? you can expand it. You can expand it, make it as a single polynomial, and then differentiate. That is one way. You can expand this. Okay, you can use distributivity, expand it. After that, you can find the derivative. Okay, but the second method is by using the product rule. Second method is using the product rule. Take the first function as u and the second function as v. So y takes the form u into v. Y is equal to u into v. So what will be y dash? Y dash will be u v the whole dash. Y dash is u into v the whole dash. Okay. So this one, how we can solve this one? This is, okay, product rule. U into v dash plus u dash into v. U into v dash plus u dash into v. So find out what is y dash. Y dash means it is same as dy by dx. So u is given. Okay, before that you can write what is u. U is x square plus 3x minus 1. From here, what is u dash? Similarly, v is given. What is v? X cube plus 2x. From here, you find out what is v dash. Find u dash, find v dash, and apply the values. Substitute it in the y dash. So what is u dash? Aparna?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Ah.
U dash is 2x plus 3.
It is 2x plus 3. And what is v dash?
3x square plus 2.
3x square plus 2. It is 3x square plus 2. So substitute here. Okay. Once you find u dash and v dash, substitute it here. What is u? X square plus 3x minus 1 into v dash is 3x square plus 2 plus u dash. What is u dash here? Again, open the bracket. Plus 2x square plus 9x cube plus 6x So open the bracket and complete this one.
Ma'am, is it 5x raised to 4 plus 12x cube plus 3x square plus 6x minus 2?
3x raised to, can you repeat?
5x raised to 4
Yes.
plus 12x cube
Plus 12x cube. Yes.
plus 3x square
Plus 3x square
plus 6x
plus 6x
minus 2.
minus 2. Is it correct, Aparna?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ah, okay.
And should we find the derivatives again for this one?
What is the question? You are asked to find the derivative, isn't it? We got the derivative. Then once again, it is not needed. Okay, one time only you are asked to find the derivative. Okay, once we find the derivative, no need to differentiate it again.
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Got. Okay. What about the others, children? Are you getting this answer? Annette, Aparna.
Yes, ma'am.
So this rule we call it as product rule. Okay, let's do another question. Write this one. Find the derivative of x square plus 1 into x plus 3. X square plus 1 into x plus 3. X square plus 1 into x plus 3.
Ma'am, bird sound is coming.
Yes, yes. They are hearing, okay. You can hear that sound, okay? Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
So here also you can use product rule, okay? Is the product rule, take the first function as u, find the first function as v. So u is x square plus 1. What is v? X plus 3. Find u dash, then find v dash, and find out what is dy by dx.
Three x squared plus 6x plus 1.
Can you give what is u dash?
U dash is 2x and v dash is 1.
Okay, now wait, Ashirya. Let the others try it and give the answer. Aditya, Satyan, are you getting u dash is 2x and v dash is 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then apply the formula there. Okay, product rule. UV the whole dash. Shubham, can you give the formula? What is UV the whole dash? It is UV the whole dash. Shubham, what is UV the whole dash, Shubham? Product formula, product rule. What is UV the whole dash? What is UV the whole dash? Yes. Aditya, Satyan, can you try?
3x square plus 6x plus 1.
Final answer you are giving us 3x square plus 6x plus 1. Is it correct, Aishwarya? What is the answer you gave?
Yes, ma'am, even I got the same.
What the same? Okay. Okay, the next rule is quotient rule. Before we start with that one, Aditya, Satyan, can you try to explain that one on active?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's try this one. Let me check. Is it possible? If not, we can try it on another day, Aditya. So give me a reply, Aditya. Is it possible? She's joining here. Okay.
First, we have to select the data which you wanted to make
Are you sharing the screen, Aditya?
the chart. Yes, ma'am.
But we are not able to
I'll
see.
try.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Aditya. Q. So in the next class, Aishwarya, prepare for that once. Okay. You take a set of data, how to draw the pie chart, line graph, and all. Explain it in the next class. Okay. Now, you can start do one or two questions in the derivatives. Write the question. Find the derivative of x plus 3 by x square minus 2. Find the derivative of x plus 1 by x square minus 2. X plus 1 by x square minus 2. So this is the function given. Y is x plus 1 by x square minus 2. So now look at here. We have quotient of functions. Numerator is there and denominator is there. So we can take it in the form of u by v. Numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Okay. So when we have in this function, so in the beginning itself you can write down what is u and what is v. V is x square minus 2. From here you find out what is u dash. Derivative of x is 1. 1 if you differentiate it is 0. And what is v dash? It is 2x minus 0. So here it is u dash is 1 and v dash is 2x. V dash is 2x. Now find out what is dy by dx. What is dy by dx? U into v dash. Sorry, it is u by v rule. What is u by v rule? U by v the whole dash is v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So what is v? V is x square minus 2 into u dash. U dash is 1 minus u. What is u? X plus 1 into 2x by what is v square? X square minus 2 the whole square. X square minus 2 the whole square. So when you expand it, you get x square minus 2 minus 2x square, minus of minuses plus 2x by x square minus 2 the whole square. So this is same as x square minus 2x square. When you group the like terms, you will get minus x square plus 2x minus 2 by x square minus 2 the whole square. Minus x square plus 2x minus 2 into x.
Ma'am, the 2x should be negative, right?
Which one? Ah,
Like
yes.
x square.
Minus is common, so you'll get minus 2x. Yes, correct. When you use distributive, you'll get minus 2x square minus 2x. Now, is it okay? Annette and all, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's do one more question. Another question. Y is equal to x cube minus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 4. Again, quotient and okay, it is a quotient rule we have to use. Numerator and denominator is there. So it is u by v. U is x cube minus 2x plus 1. And what is v? X square minus 4. From here you find out what is u dash. What is u dash? What is the derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 2 into 1 plus 0. So it is 3x square minus 2. Is it correct? Similarly, find out v dash. What is v dash? It is 2x. Then apply the formula. Y is equal to u by v. So y dash is u by v the whole dash. Okay, every time you write the formula and proceed so that it becomes thorough. So it is v, denominator will get v square, v into u dash minus u into v dash. Okay, order should not be changed. Or you can learn like this also. U dash v minus u v dash by v square. U dash v minus u v dash by v square. So what is u dash? 3x square minus 2 into what is v? V is x square minus 4 minus u. U is here x cube minus 2x plus 1 into v dash. V dash is 2x by v square. So it is 2x the whole square. So if you can expand it, simplify and find the answer. At least up to this you should practice it. Okay, the last step you'll get half a mark. So when you expand it, you'll get 3x raised to 4 minus 12x square minus 2x square plus 8. Again minus of, you open the bracket, 2x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 2x by the denominator v square. V square is, sorry, here it is v square. So x square, what is v square, children? X square minus 4 the whole square. So x square minus 4 the whole square. When you expand it, you'll get 3x raised to 4 minus 12x square. Minus 12x square minus 2x square means you'll get minus 14x square plus 8 minus 2x raised to 4 plus 4x square minus 2x by x square minus 4 the whole square. Now group the terms. 3 minus 2, x raised to 4. Then x square terms. 14 minus 4 means it is minus 10x square. Then if you group the x terms, minus 2x plus 8 by x square minus 4 the whole square. This is y dash or dy by dx. Is it okay? Are you getting this answer, Aditya? Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, today I have sent some homework questions. Practice that one. Practice the questions. Okay, revise limits and derivatives. Okay, with this I end this session now. Thank you.